How are you today? How are you?
I'm good.
That's great. Are you ready for the final speaking test?
Yes,
Yeah. Okay. First, can you tell me your full name?
my full name. My full name is Nguyễn Lâm. But you can call me Leo. English name.
Leo. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Leo, where do you live?
I live in Vietnam.
Vietnam. Okay. Where do you study?
I study art.
What's the name of your school? I study at
One primary school.
What grade are you in? What grade?
I read 3.
Leo, what do you like to do in your free time? What do you like? Like playing badminton, soccer, or ride a bike? Or what do you like to do in your free time?
I play badminton.
Oh, you like
I play
badminton?
badminton.
Good. Leo, are you good at playing tennis? Yes or no?
No, I'm not very good at it.
Leo, how do you go to school? How do you go to school? By bike, by car, or by motorbike? How do you go to school?
By motorbike.
Motorbike. Then how do you stay safe when you ride a motorbike? How are you going to protect yourself? Put in lotion, fasten your seatbelt, or wear a helmet?
Helmet.
Helmet. And Leo, what types of art do you like? Example, painting, photograph, sculpture, or mosaic. What types of art? Again, what types of art do you like? Painting, photograph,
Painting.
painting. Okay. Leo, what did you eat for lunch and what did you drink with lunch? What did you eat first? What did you eat for lunch? What did you eat?
I eat curry.
Curry. How about what did you drink with lunch?
I drink tea.
Now, Leo, let's proceed to part 2. Let's talk about your dream job. Leo, what do you want to be? What do you want to be in the future? Your dream job.
I want to be
Something doctor, seller, or
seller.
a seller. And what are you going to do about your dream job?
I want to
What seller do? Seller what? What sell? What are you going to sell?
sell.
Okay, Leo, what are you going to wear for the job? Or clothes? What you're going to wear?
I go wear
Clothes like shorts, shirts, t-shirt, pants. What are you going to wear for the job?
short,
Shorts and
short and short.
shorts. Leo, let's proceed to part 3. Let's talk about your dream vacation. Okay. Leo, where are you going to go on vacation? Where?
I wear Phuket.
When? When? Next week? Tomorrow? Next month? next year?
next month.
Next month. Okay, how are you going to get there in Pupuk ay Pupuk? How?
I cell phone,
How are you going to get there? By car? By bus?
plane,
Okay. So what are you going to bring to Pupuk? What are you going to take with you? Cell phone, money,
my cell phone, and money.
money. So what are you going to do in Pupuk? What are you going to do there?